Now we are going to discuss the fourth class of kingdom fungi, and we have discussed already the previous classes of fungi. The three were discussed. The fourth one is kingdom fungi. The fourth class is Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes. And what are the characteristics of Deuteromycetes and reproductive method and nutritional method and examples? We can see one by one. See that Deuteromycetes are commonly known as imperfect fungi. Imperfect. It's a quite opposite to that of a perfect. It shows that it is not perfect. It is an imperfect fungi. Why it is called imperfect fungi? Because asexual phase known, but sexual phase is unknown. Asexual or vegetative phase only we are knowing, but sexual phase is completely undergoing to the another class. Just to see that sexual phase placed under another class. Sexual phase placed under another class. So we can consider only the asexual phase. So we can call it as a imperfect fungi. Later, once asexual stages of members of Deuteromycetes were discovered. Actually, it was moved into the another class once it was discovered, and they were often moved to Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Because of the nature, because of the process, they were moved to the Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. See that Deuteromycetes reproduce only by asexual spores. Deuteromycetes species are reproduce only by asexual spores. There is a specific name for asexual spores called conidia. Conidia is a special structure which produce the spores during asexual mode of reproduction in Deuteromycetes. Later, the mycelium. Mycelium means the body of the fungal organism. The thread-like body is called mycelium. Is a septate and branched. It's not a single thread-like structure. It containing several branches, and each branch possessing many nuclei, and many nuclei are separated by a walls, and these walls are called septae, right? Later, some members are saprophytic. Kind of a nutrition is explaining here. Some members of Deuteromycetes are saprophytic, and some species are parasitic, and some are large number. Comparatively, the saprophytic and parasitic, large number of Deuteromycetes are decomposers. Decomposers in the food chain, we are knowing that the last phase is the decomposers. These decomposers decompose the dead remains of plants and animals, and they will add the minerals to the soil and maintaining the mineral content in the soil as well as in the atmosphere also. So these are indirectly helps in the mineral cycling, right? Here these examples of Deuteromycetes species are Alternaria, Colletotrichum, Trichoderma. Three examples are given here. Alternaria, Colletotrichum, Trichoderma. These are the three examples of the Deuteromycetes, the last class of the kingdom fungi. These are the fungi classes have completed just now.